This work is an exploration of what might be, rather than a definitive assertion of what is. It recognizes that understanding and interpretation take on a fluid shape, evolving over time as new insights emerge. In that spirit, we propose an approach where vacuum energy is not treated as a static quantity, but instead as a function of quantum geometric curvature, fluctuating across scales in response to Berry curvature and quantum geometric tensor effects. If this perspective holds, it could remove the necessity of a discrete dark energy component, instead reframing cosmic acceleration as an emergent, self-regulating phenomenon rooted in fundamental quantum geometry. This inquiry examines the recursive evolution of beliefs, ideas, and mindsets through a structured framework inspired by the Hayward metric, which regularizes singularities in gravitational systems. Rather than imposing a rigid or strictly hierarchical structure, we propose a dynamically evolving metric space in which beliefs serve as core structures. Ideas function as curvature regulators, and mindsets define the overarching framework of cognitive evolution. By applying this perspective, we analyze how top-down, bottom-up, and hybrid feedback loops influence the maturation of thought, allowing adaptability without conceptual collapse. This dynamic interaction ensures belief stability while accommodating evolution, akin to how the Hayward metric prevents divergence into singularities, while maintaining consistency with fundamental field equations. Furthermore, we explore the role of confidence in solemnness as a stabilizing principle, one that resists the extremes of dogmatic rigidity and chaotic relativism. Just as the modulation of curvature in state-space geometry provides a stabilizing effect, this balance fosters self-regulating cognitive structures that encourage resilience and adaptability. We also consider the nuanced nature of emotional and physical harm through this framework, particularly in relation to observer-dependent metrics in relativity. Just as time dilation alters clock rates based on reference frames, individual perception shapes the emotional impact of experiences, reinforcing the necessity of contextual metrics in understanding cognitive evolution. By integrating Berry curvature, quantum geometric tensors, and self-regulating vacuum energy concepts, we suggest that conceptual singularities can be avoided, facilitating an adaptive yet coherent framework of cognition. The emergent properties of this approach may offer new ways to structure philosophical inquiry, cognitive development, and theoretical physics, leading to a recursive, self-modulating system that bridges the evolution of mindsets with fundamental geometric principles. This framing shapes the subsequent discussion, in which each component, belief structures, idea evolution, mindset formation, and feedback modulation, is examined through interwoven theoretical and applied perspectives, contributing to an integrated model of structured thought evolution.